How to fix WhatsApp voice note not playing on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if your WhatsApp's voice note is not playing on your Android device. Let's just get started. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up WhatsApp. Go to a voice note that you want to play. Just tap on it and start playing. And if you are not able to hear it, then all you have to do here is clear cache on WhatsApp. So I'll just go over here, long press on WhatsApp, tap on the I button, then go to storage. You'll find an option to clear cache at the bottom. Do that. Then go over to permissions. Make sure all of these permissions are allowed. And then finally tap on force stop because if there is something going on in the background, it might be causing the issue, so it's gonna completely stop it and fix your voice note problem. Sometimes it also has to do something with your internet connection, so make sure you toggle off Wi-Fi, try to switch over to data, and if that doesn't work, just switch back to Wi-Fi, and you should be good to go. The final step is to restart your phone. Long press on the power button, tap on restart, and it should fix the problem once you've restarted your phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video.